Why UV Gel ink? The large format graphics market is constantly changing, and changing fast. Not only do customers want their prints faster than ever, they want to know they've been produced sustainably. Canon's UV Gel technology takes print productivity and sustainability to the next level. Thanks to our unique UV Gel ink, the Colorado M series produces ultra-high-quality prints at higher speeds and lower temperatures, instantly ready to use and saving energy, while its color gamut easily matches eco-solvent systems with its outstanding color depth and detail. Plus, the durable, smooth, scratch-resistant finish produces truly stunning prints so robust there's often no need to laminate. Because UV Gel technology works at low temperatures, you can print on almost any media type, from thin, thermoplastic, to moisture-sensitive, to economical paper. Regardless of the media you're printing on, with UV Gel technology, you determine the finish you want, from vibrant gloss to velvety matte, or even a combination of the two in one print. And with the Colorado M series, we brought the UV Gel advantage to white ink. So now you can print just white or white in color in one print. With the highest opacity, with no printhead handling, it's truly white ink without worry. And it's fast. The Colorado M series with UV Gel technology is up to 3 times faster than other technologies, with real commercial multi-layer speeds. UV Gel technology is easy, fast, generates less waste, and saves energy. The Colorado M series. Level up your game.